How to edit username on a Snapchat app? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to edit username on a Snapchat app. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat application on a device. Log into your account. Now select the gear icon at top left corner of the screen. You can easily find my username here. So tap on the gear icon at top right in order to change your username. There you will get the option of username. Simply select that. So you need to know that you can only change your username once a year. So you have to simply tap on the username box and you have to delete this username. Tap username change and you have to tap on the continue button. And now you can easily delete it and you can easily add a new one. After that, tap on the next button at top right or bottom center of the screen. And successfully, your username on a Snapchat will be edited. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.